Once upon a time, deep in the heart of a lush green jungle, lived a mischievous little monkey named Miko. Miko Monkey was always up to something naughty, and, well, he loved playing pranks on other animals, especially when they least expected it. One sunny afternoon, Miko Monkey spotted a bunch of ripe bananas hanging near the elephants area and, his eyes lit up. "Yummy! I'll have them all," he whispered, sneaking toward the bananas. Monkey grabbed the bananas and vanished into the trees, giggling. The elephants came back only to find their lunch gone. "Who did this?" trumpeted the biggest elephant. But Miko Monkey was already munching away high above, out of sight. The next day, Miko Monkey found something new. A pair of old drums near the ranger's hut. "Oh ho, let's make some noise," he chuckled and began banging the drums. Boom, boom, boom. The sound echoed through the jungle. The birds fluttered out of their nests, the deer got scared, and even the lions woke up annoyed. "Miko, stop this racket!" But Miko Monkey just laughed and kept playing louder, especially at night. No one could sleep. One day, a group of travelers entered the jungle. They wore big, colorful hats. Miko Monkey saw the hats and thought, "Fun time." Monkey swooped down from the trees and snatched their hats one by one. The travelers were confused and scared, chasing after the monkey. Miko Monkey put all the hats on his head one over the other, giggling wildly. "Look at me! I'm the king of hats!" One evening, while Monkey was playing near a campsite, Miko Monkey saw something glowing. It was fire. The travelers had left a small campfire unattended. "Ooh, pretty." Monkey started poking the fire with a stick. "Stop! That's dangerous! Miko, fire can hurt you!" But Miko Monkey didn't listen. He danced around the flames, laughing and teasing, then suddenly, swoosh! Monkey's tail caught fire. "Ah!" Miko Monkey screamed and ran in circles. The pain was unbearable. The animals rushed to help. The elephants sprayed water on him. The birds brought leaves. The deer helped make a soft bed. Even the lion stood guard so Miko Monkey could rest. Miko Monkey lay there quietly, tears in his eyes. He realized how foolish he had been. "I was wrong. I caused pain to others and myself." From that day on, Miko Monkey changed. Miko Monkey helped gather food instead of stealing. He returned the hats to the travelers. Miko Monkey played music only during the day, softly and cheerfully. Miko Monkey even became a little jungle hero. The animals forgave him, and every time someone asked him about his burned tail, he'd smile and say, "That's my reminder. Mischief that hurts others is never fun." So kids, what do you learn? Mischief is only fun when it doesn't hurt others. If it causes harm, it's not a joke. It's a mistake.
Now is the time to learn some words along with the story. Repeat with us. Mischievous. Mischievous. Colorful. Colorful. Lay. Lay.
Now that I've become good, why haven't you liked and subscribed to me?